This is the best snoring product that 60,000 people recommend to use. It is so easy to use. Just put it on ear and the device will start working. The device will detect snoring through bone conduction technology and emitting vibration to depress and stop snoring. When you woke up the next day, you could charge the device. It is magnetic charger. If you want to check your snoring data and see how does the device working on you could connect with the app and all snoring data pattern sleeping quality could be seen. There are some additional functions like sleeping snores recorder for you. You desire a healthier life, just give it a go.